Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I made a video just yesterday about this, but I made it with the twirl tool, which is kind of neat in itself, but it's hard to, uh, get them perfectly to mention whatever you're doing. So my suggestion today would be to use the contour tool. And by doing that, we can go to effects and contour. We're going to contour 0.25 to the inside, let's say 20 steps. Evidently, it changed it when I did the steps. 0.25 times, my number lock is not locked, 0.25 times 20. So that gave you 20 rings that are exactly a quarter inch apart. So if we do what we did yesterday, and I'm going to have to go to the center of the page to make this work the best. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and go object and break contour apart. Really doesn't matter probably in this case, but I'm going to bring in indexing lines to get to the center of the page. And I'm going to hit P, bring one down and hit P because I want exactly in the center. I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to start from that corner and I'm going to go up. Actually, what I want to do is start from this corner and go down because I want these gone. Then I can take my virtual segment delete key and do that. Now, yesterday we made these lines because there's 20 of them. And if we look, we broke them apart. We got to ungroup them. And now if you look, we have 21 objects. So I did one too many, let's say. So I'm going to delete that one. Now we should have 20. So I'm going to take we want to make the lines longer. Don't worry about right now that it's a 2 point, a hairline. And we're going to go ahead and get a straight line and go from here to here. Well, matter of fact, what I'm going to do first is when you have your pen tool, your drawing parallel will come up. And let's go with 20. And let's go right here, holding down the control button to get it perfect. And then do 20 at a quarter of an inch, 0.25. And then, okay, I must have done 21. I must only had 19. So what we can do is just delete that. Now, if we go here and go to object and combine those lines, now we can make them thicker or thinner. Of course, a quarter inch, we're not going to be able to make them too much thicker, but we're going to go here and we can make them actually a little bit thicker. We can't make them a quarter of an inch because then they'll meet, and then make them black. And you've got and of course, these are spaced out further. Let me go ahead and close the parallel dimension. And then this way, those lines are perfect and the perfect length. And if you look, if we go to object and break the curve apart, we have individual, well, you'd really, if you wanted continuous lines, we would have to go with the shape tool. And let's do this. Let's grab them all. Holding down the shift key. Well, don't even do that. Then just grab and they shouldn't be double nodes right here, but they evidently are. So we can select all those nodes, go up to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves. I've got mine. I don't need it on 0.5, but I will. And now we can take those individual lines away if we wanted to. Pretty cool. So instead of using the twirl tool like I did yesterday, that was just kind of an idea. If you were going to, the twirl tool is pretty neat, but doing something like this is a lot neater. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.